hunting and gathering? Hunting and gathering is a way of gathering food that incorporates killing game and picking berries. Hunting and gathering is one of the oldest known ways of acquiring food. It was very barbaric, and there was no guarantee that you would actually get the food. You also had to move very often due to climate changes and following the animals where they went. Hunting and gathering then evolved into a more advanced form of getting food that is called agriculture. Agriculture is the science or practice of farming, including the cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. People who take part in this are called farmers. Because of the advancement in food production, society made progress through inventions like irrigation and the wheel. Irrigation is a tool in farming that allows water to be transported from a bigger body of water to your crops to keep them healthy. The wheel was used to be able to transport goods from place to place. It made food deliveries much easier and faster. Different food practices emerged from the development of food. Some of these practices are tilling the land and keeping their food in containers. Jared Diamond, in his book, Guns, Germs, and Steel, talks about geographic luck. Geographic luck is being born in a place with rich geographic resources. He tells us about Yali's question. It is, why is it that you white people developed much cargo and brought it to New Guinea, but we black people had little cargo of our own? It takes Diamond a while to think of the answer, but when it comes to him, he says that the reason is that some places are fortunate enough to have enough resources available to them. He denies any racial superiority of whites over other races. He said that it had not been due to innate differences between kinds of people. Instead, they had been due to differences in environment. Although there are solutions to food inequality. One of them is we can make farm fresh rye more promulgated, more widely known. If we do this, we would be able to supply more food to those who may not have it. The idea might also spread, causing a chain reaction. This means that more places might do something similar, like having a Farm Fresh LA or Farm Fresh MA. The solution would be to have canned and food drives to collect food for people who aren't able to get some. With these solutions, we can have preventions for foodborne illnesses. Healthcare would be reduced, and community members that buy from local farmers would have better social connections. It would also be able to decrease the obesity rate. With these, we can have a better tomorrow. Thank you.